Hello everyone, this is Dan with PermaGreen, and for today's video I wanted to show you how to replace or flip over the spinner platter on the PermaGreen Triumph. Now when I say flip over, the spinner platter on the Triumph is double-sided, so that if one side wears out, you can flip it over and use the other side, and it essentially doubles the life of your platter and can get you out of jam. If one side wears out in the field, you just flip it over and carry about your day. But for starters, as far as switching this out, we have the shaft block here that clamps the spinner shaft to the shaft coming out of the gearbox underneath the hood. And you want to start by loosening those 4 screws here. I actually already have this loosened. But once you do have that loose enough, you can lift this shaft block and just take the shaft block and the spinner platter off. Take the shaft block off the shaft, put that to the side, and then you can see here you have a cotter pin. You take that out, and then you have a worm clamp here that you can loosen with a nut driver or a flathead. This one's already loose, so just pop that right off, and then you can just slide the platter right up the shaft. Flip that over, put it back on the shaft, take the worm clamp, put that back on, you tighten that up, the nut driver, put the cotter pin back in, okay, and then from there you can just take the shaft block, put it back on the shaft. Make sure that the cam piece on top of that that platter there is in the square bracket right below the hopper. That's actually going to knock on that square bracket and oscillate that agitator that's inside the hopper. But from there, once you got that lined up, you can just drop that shaft block down and then go ahead and tighten up those 4 screws, and you should be good to go. So yeah, if you have any questions on that or anything else regarding the Triumph, give us a call. We have phone number 1-800-346-2001. Have a good day.